about what is the progress that the company going to take, and it's totally a whole new directions for us to move forward. And without, I would say, it's without burden. Okay. All right. So I think on time, on the dot. Get ready? Okay. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I'm John here. So tonight we are going to discuss about this ongoing progress of the SEF, like I said before, and something here everyone concerned about right now. Okay. Now let me first put it this way. Okay, we had learned from this BTC that since its debut, and it has been up and down and have a volatile movement for the past 15 years. Off the music. Okay. Okay.
Wait.
Okay, I'm back. Clear and loud. Okay. So without wasting time. Okay. And what they said just now is about the BTC, right? The history, what we learned from the BTC. And for the past 15 years, before the high volatile movement, that means up and down like roller coaster. And now it has been established to at a very stable 20 to 30K's wide value. Now every time it bounced back and they surge higher and higher after a major correction, right? So now as the world and future economies that we can see now, the US dollar is not so stable. Okay, you can see two major wars is around us. Okay, and so the crypto market is getting solid, yeah, and had gained acceptance also as another asset class, even in the what you call the actual financial world. Now they begin to appreciate it more now. Okay, so we shall see a major bullish crypto markets the next few months, right? Everybody is here, I think, expecting for that great moment. Okay, before the halving of BTC. Okay. Then this is also something that we long for, yeah. And just get in time, we build out our SCF, what you call that platform currency. Now we can see many of the alternative coins also will follow up the trends and the appreciation to go up with the appreciation, especially with the coins with fundamental public chains like us, high communities, and utilizations, right? So with this comprehensive ecosystem, I think we'll make a way out of it. Okay. So first of all, I would like to thank everyone for the long helpless waiting, right? Okay, we are going to, but though the result is not most of us expected, yeah. But don't be too sad. Okay, we can see the company determination to overcome all the difficulties towards the big goal, and consistently they work hard for a way out. We can see that, right? Of course, I would say that it is difficult to have the best of both worlds. Okay, and there were twists and turns, just like a war, right? When we encounter an unexpected obstacle, what do? We will make changes for a strategy to move on. And the final goal is to attain the victory. It seems like a blessing also in disguise. In disguise, everything is the best, right? It may seem worse now, but may possibly turn into a contrary later. So hey, look here. Let's think about it. If we follow the company's directions and determinations to develop, right? So do you think it would be possible for SCF to increase 100-fold in the next 5 or 10 years? So if it does happen, what will you say by then? Oh, God bless. I was trapped into mining nodes that time, right? So, and whether it will become true or not, no one will know. But by tracking of what happened now, FCF have what our SCF have, you know, as we can see, it's a big team of elite experts that works along with us side by side, man. And what happened? This shall make the possibility higher, and it is better than to gamble on meme coins, right? We have a better chance, right? And for my personal points of views, if this is a swindle, well, I think at the past 2 weeks, many people might have this idea. Well, but by now then, your logging will turn out to be 404 error, right or not? Yeah? It is billions of dollars out there, right? But what happens? This doesn't happen. Huh? Wait. Okay. Sorry, there's a little disturbance. And let us look back in the years 2013 when China made this first mark on the Bitcoin, and the Chinese central bank issued a warning against using Bitcoin as a legal tender. By then, you see the price of Bitcoin dropped over 50% from an all-time high of 1,200 to less than 600. Just imagine. So it is clear that China people is a big player in crypto investment since BTC days, right? And has anyone seen a company like SCF willing to sacrifice such a big pie? Lack of. Why? Why should SCF care about the future of the world outside China when it can just grab whatever for the time being? You see or not? You see my point? Yeah? You see, and why should SCF take into account of the 6 billion markets out there when it can grab whatever it can, right? Well, this simply it shows that SCF is taking the responsibility for it, right or not? Okay, I think I should agree with that lah. Okay. So now, okay, put it another way. If you were the boss of SCF now, would you not aware that by giving up such a big market like China, you may face many unexpected market problems like what happened now, right now? Okay. So let alone, please off your mic, please.
都开不了，你给我你的英文3我给你开了。
请你关你的麦克风好不好 ？Hello， 你听到我吗？So now let alone just to divide and liquidate the China, just think about it. It requires a lot of technical capability. Right? Not every platform will have can do that. Now, so now on, in order to make you all, or everyone feel at ease, that's why for today's session we will let you know the upcoming new policy as soon as possible for the references. But remember, this is just the company's tentative version, and everything will be subject to the company's final announcement. Okay, all right. Please listen again. This is the company's tentative version. Everything shall subject to the company's final announcement. Okay, one more time. This is the company's tentative version, and everything shall subject to the company's final announcement. Yeah. Okay. I have said the important thing 3 times. Thank you for your understanding. Now I will only talk about the outline so that everyone can understand the general directions of the 3.0 system. Later then, we'll invite a special guest, our great leader, MD, Mr. Stevens, for your questions. Okay. So in version 3.0, the company will use private equity funds to issue its own platform currencies on the company's own FinSwap platform. And the initial issuance quantity is 10 billions. The initial price is just as low as $1 USD. So I hope you get the point. This is the best time to grab. Okay. And combined with the public chain ecology and our 3.0 strategy, and more likely, it will lay the strong foundation for listing on to Nasdaq in 2025. That's our main aim. Ultimate aim, I would say that. Now here, this is a brief description of it. Number 1, the 3.0 version is actually based on the consensus economy to build a more powerful fan economy. Okay, the minimum threshold for the participants to participate is in this consensus economy just US 500 USDT per entry. Okay, and for this fan economy, we build a large number of fans. Look at this. This is it is the 5 times 5 matrix, 3 times 3 or 2 times 2, whatever way numbers you want to build. Okay, for that matter, we can just see that in a few levels down on the way, it will make very huge data. Okay, now let us just take a 5 times 5 matrix in calculations. So if you can duplicate to the 5th levels down, just 5 level down, and there will be 15,000 accounts, and it is not ruled out that some players will have multiple accounts too. So when the 15,000 accounts times 10,000 organizations, 10,000 leaders around the world, now we have 60 million people, right? 10,000 is not a great portion of it, so it's quite possible. So let me have 10,000 teams to build up. With per account, just put in a minimum of 500 U, and it shall be a tremendous figure of 78 billions, man. Okay, and from the figure and calculation alone, we can see that we are not so far away from getting listed on Nasdaq, right? So when we get to the point, we just can't clap with one hand, right or not, right? Since the blockchain itself is the strength of the consensus and the efforts of the community. It's a community that concern. So whether can it develop smoothly and quickly requires us, everyone's cooperation and a little effort. That's all. So we cannot let alone for the companies work literally by itself, right? SCF did really play its part in this technology developments and financial management. Okay, so while we must play our part in contributing some effort also, right? If everyone brings in just one new member and see what will happen, that one new member actually is a strength, just like in election, a sacred vote, right or not? Okay, now number 2, the bonuses are divided into recommendation bonuses and organization bonuses, right? That means a referral bonus, wow, a handsome 60%. Okay, and organization bonus 20%. On the specific level percentage allocation, this will be announced by the company later. And another 10% shall return to the FTC pool to increase liquidity and capital pool. And at this same time, the repurchase of SCF shall be destroyed too. And another 10% is the company's operating fund. Yeah, take for example, like our Singapore HQ office has been paid for one-time rent until the contract expired in March 2025, not a month paying monthly. And our KL main center also will be ready soon, yeah. And thirdly, when placed on an order with USDT, this recommendation bonus will be settled instantly. Okay, nothing will be left. Okay, and the organization bonus will be settled daily too. Great news, right? Immediate. So there's nothing to hold up there. Okay, and number 4, the amounts of our order placed will be rewarded with equivalent platform currency. With just now I mentioned, the initial price is just 1 USDT. Okay, now let us invite our special leader, Mr. Steven, to share in more details. Okay, with you in this sharing. And his topic is great. Win-win-win, a total revamped strategy plans, and the 11 highlights of the marketing plans, and follow on with the Q&A. Now let us welcome Mr. Steven. Steven, are you ready?
Yeah. Thank you, Zion.
Yeah. Okay.
So we give a big hand. To Zion, who done a good introduction. Okay, and tipping us off what is inside of our current 1.0 and 2.0, and 3.0 is our focus tonight. Okay, it's a focus tonight. So this plan have a few salient points that I would like to highlight to you all. There is a focus of our tonight discussion, okay, which is on the rolling out of 3.0, which will be very soon. Okay, likely will be next week. Okay, so the 3.0 will carry these current 3 features mainly. It's basically a savior plan for the old member 1.0 and 2.0. Okay, company is highly responsible. You won't see any platform or any company who are running, okay, some of the investment scheme is still running at a high note. Okay, SCF or Pintosh SCF already lasts for about 1 year, and now we are still paying our good so-called responsibility and making sure that the old member 1.0, 2.0 will be able to get whatever benefit of gaining back the capital as per plan. Okay, with the mining program that we have. Okay, so without wasting most of the people's time, let me highlight to you the 3 of the key feature of 3.0 that will be able to save the 1.0, 2.0, and also will bring the business indicators high in light, in light with our planning to be listing in 2025. Because my background is on private equity. For the listing in the stock exchange or Nasdaq or whatsoever, the main requirement of the company is 3 main things on it. The company must have the post after tax profit PAT, must have the asset base, must have the user, must have the user. These are the main things that the company want to drive, and prepare for the listing. And we are entering the last stage of the listing. Okay, so this win-win-win in particular is the old member, 1.0, 2.0 will be able to win in this 3.0 plan, and the new member will be able to gain handsomely from the new plan of metric system, which details will be rolled out to you after our centralized meeting next week. Okay, so likely will be 10 to the 15. Okay, another win, of course, the company will gain another 10%. Which is as expenses. Okay, so this is fantastic program whereby there's the full transparency. Look at feature number 2. We are back to basic in terms of this business model is concerned. It's one of the innovative, but yet it's a basic program. Okay, whereby it's USD in, USD out. That basic on it. Let's say if the person today want to purchase or invest 1,000. they may split the 1,000 into 2 contracts. One is 500 each. A person can buy multiple of 500. So meaning that the first direct sponsor is 30%. So this person will automatically activate the account. So if it's 1,000 in, 1,000 will pay up 100% to the new member, to the leaders. Okay, the direct sponsor is 30%. First level is 5. Second level is 4. Okay, third level is 3, 2, 1. And then subsequently another 15 level is 1%. Total 60% will be paid out instantly. Okay, to the introducer. Okay, to the introducer follow the plan. Okay, that's 60%. Another 20% will go to as a reward to the team leader, which details I'm going to share with you later on. And another 10% will be going, will be using to buy back the FTC, which is listed in the Binance, and also SCF. Okay, by pushing this particular liquidity pool of these 2 coins, indirectly will push up the price because the demand is increasing. Okay, so when you put up the price, the old member 1.0 and 2.0 will be very happy to sell the mining yield at the higher and higher, gradually higher and higher prices, and then they'll be able to gain back, to have their capital back or to gain more income later on. If they feel more comfortable, they can buy more our platform coin, which the name to be announced later. This platform coin is similar to BNB. You know, BNB is a platform coin for Binance. When Binance and BNB, we also have, our platform coin, on FinSwap. FinSwap is the one that we chosen to be the best performing ecosystem among the 8 ecosystem. So we want to focus our strength of our public change and also the fundamental that we have and also the user that we have. We want to create a committed user, to push up the utilization of FinSwap. FinSwap is a decentralized exchange. When more people use the decentralized exchange, that will reflect in the price of our FinSwap price. Okay. Now currently we offer $1. You buy 1,000, you will get 1,000 pieces of the platform coin. When the price go up, let's say next month, to maybe $5 or $10, obviously you are getting less coin. Now you buy 1,000, you get 1,000 coin. If it's go up to $2, you buy 1,000, you only get 500 pieces of our platform coin, which are named to be announced in the next couple of days. Okay, so this is something we view it as a great excitement. Okay, whereby with the basic plan that we are organizing now, with a matrix 3x3 or 5x5 matrix system, with 100% payout, and there's no retained cash, there's no consolidating cash of the company, everything payout, so it's very, very transparent. Okay, and there won't be any bubbles. Okay, because every day clear. 1,000 come in, 1,000 go out. Nothing is retained inside. So in the simple term, of SCF 3.0 is a plan, basically, is a savior plan, and for new investor to come in to buy, keep, and sell at the desired price. Okay, so all these coins that the purchaser, investor purchase will be locked 100%. Okay, locked 100%. When the price go up, you will be, and also with the company performance and in the individual leader performance, there is a formula to determine how much a company will release your coin. Okay, so when the performance is higher, your personal sales is higher, you are active in the organization or company performance is good, the company will gradually release the coin to you so that you can sell into the market, then you can cash out. That is for the new member, new investor. For the old investor, obviously, we are not going to address the actual, the exact formula, the exit plan for them or how they're going to cash out. We are not going to address here in this session. Will be next week. But generally, in general term, when the 3.0 is rolled out successfully, all the other conversion and pairing, for instance, FUSD, SCF main, SCF main, SCF FUSD, naturally we'll be able to pair with USDD. That is very natural. Details which we will roll out and so-called announce to you after our centralized meeting. That show that company are really care about the 1.0 and 2.0 and have the high responsibility towards it. That's why we roll out 3.0. We are very much concerned, okay? And we are going to put in 3 times the effort and the expenses to push and to roll out the 3.0. And in order to do it successfully on the community consensus purposes, we organize for the first time the whole world, okay, leaders or 001 to have a meeting, centralized meeting soon next week to determine what is the best way, okay, what is the best way to basically fit into our proposal of rolling out the 3.0 with the win-win-win business model. Okay, so Zion, can you look at can you push into the next slide, please?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So this is roughly, okay, that's coming real soon. The minimum investment is 500, as I mentioned to you. There's a 20 levels plan. Okay, detail will be sent to you later. Okay, after our centralized meeting, team reward will be 20%. 10% we'll use to buy back FTC and SCF buyback so that the price can go up steadily. 10% of the company operation is very simple. Okay, and it's very and it could be one of the innovative one in the market. Okay, so FinSwap platform coin. Okay, the offer price at $1 and total issue is 10 billion. Okay, there's no adding issue. So remember, all this purchase from the investor will be locked. Okay, unless the performance of the company is so-called up to the mark. Okay, then the company will have basically a formula to release whatever the holders coin based on performance and based on the individual or the leader's performance as well. If the leader is more active, so they will release their coin faster. Okay, so how about the next one, Zion?
The highlights of the market.
So far, are you clear? Are you all clear so far? If it's clear, can you give me a response of 222? You punch in a 222 if your people are clear up to here. Are you all clear?
Yeah, please respond.
You punch in a 222 if you are clear.
You.
Then we reserve question, to the floor. Okay.
I want to give.
I can see some of you can follow. Okay. So tonight's discussion is not going to be long. Okay, it's not going to be long. We are waiting for the next announcement real soon after our centralized meeting next week. Okay. But basically tonight's discussion is a teaser only. Because your people have waited for too long, okay, for any updates. That's why we're rushing for the update. Zion, can you look at one of the people concerned, on the team rewards?
Yes.
Team rewards will be maintained. The qualifying condition will be the same. Okay, for GM, VP, SVP, ED, MD. Total is 20%, but there's no MD plus this time. Okay. So the qualifying condition is the same. For GM, you need to have 5 lines. Okay, then you have 50,000. VP is 2 GM with 150,000 sales. SVP again is 500,000. ED is 2 million. MD is 6 million. Okay, all terms and conditions still remain the same. Okay, remain the same. So this reward, team reward, will be paying out to you next day. Only the direct sponsor, first level, direct sponsor, second level, third level, until 20 level is instant. I give you an example. If the person want to invest or want to purchase, if they see the potential of this platform coin, you want to grow with it to 100 times, 1,000 times, which is possible. But when they purchase, all will be locking. Okay, in order for your lock coin to be released, you have to be active. Okay, or company perform. Okay, at certain level. In order for you to be active, we can make passive into active by sponsoring yourself. Let's say, for instance, if your investor are interested, have confidence with us, okay, with the first good branding of SCF, okay, they want to invest 2,000. They buy 2,000, Okay, but they register split it into 4 accounts. Okay, 500 as a main account, and then sponsor 3 direct 500, 500, 500 each. Okay, so the moment they refer and register 500, you will get 30% of 500, which is 150. Second account also 150. Third account also 150. Total the money, the person investor is only 1550, but he's holding a 2,000 worth of coin at that entry point. So there's a so-called the saving there. Okay, with the reduce so-called entry fund. Okay, to get the higher coin they have. Okay, so this is basically the basic rules. Then we want some of the new investor or the old investor, okay, to bear in mind by having this opportunity at the offer price of $1 and also instant earning from your signing up of registration. You will save a lot of money and you will save your capital. Okay, so that's all about my sharing, because more of it will be shared later on after the company organized the worldwide 001 leader meeting. This is the first time we are having it. We are having it because our new directive is that the company is going to run this time at more consent-based, community-driven manner. All the decision we are going to make is basically to suit the market. Okay, it's community-driven. There's a DAO system we are organizing. Okay, so that's all about my sharing. So I hope there will be some points useful to you all. At least there's some update to the people who are hidden in the dark for quite some time to know what to do. So we welcome a few questions from the floor. Zion, can you take charge?
Yes. You can put up your hand and off your mic. Anyone? Any questions? Just put up
introduce yourself first before
introduce yourself.
Hello, Stephen.
Yes.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
Hello. Good evening. Good evening, Zion.
Yeah, good evening too.
I have a question. Is this plan is launching next week or maybe some delay?
You are. Can you introduce yourself first? You are from where? Your name and from where?
I'm Tejendra Saud from India.
Okay, I see. Okay,
yeah.
So the 3.0 will be rolled out. Okay, next week, likely from the 10th, from the 5th to the 10th, something like that. It will roll out anytime next week. Okay.
Okay. Stephen, I have another question. This management earnings are for one time or on a regular basis, like previous?
One time, because there is no more passive income. There is a zero liability, zero bubble here. One time. Okay. But one time, if you power up to 10 levels, your income is about $1 million. Because this referral fee is fantastic. We are talking about 80%. So it's very, very high. It's the highest that we can see in the market. The commission payout is the highest.
But Stephen, GM to MD income is one time, on a regular basis.
One time, every day based on new sales. Every day based on new sales. Understand? Okay.
Yeah.
If you are empty, you are override ED 4%. We pay the difference. We pay the difference to the level. Okay.
Okay, Stephen. Thank you.
Thank you.
Stephen, KL Wong here.
Yeah. Hi. Okay.
Hi. Long time no see. I'm from KL, Malaysia. I'd like to ask you the question. You have so far given us, explain to us all the compensation plan of the members. Now, but what about the tokenomics of the new coin? You release 10 billion coins into the market. If there's no buyer, the price will crash, isn't it?
I think you don't hear me clearly. The 10 billion coin is only issued upon the purchase of the investor. Once it's issued, the coin is all locked. It's all locked. It's only be released gradually based on company performance and the individual investor performance. Okay? So the price likely will be one way up. Okay, will be gradually go up. Are you clear? This is not an ICO. It's not an ICO. There will be no coin in the market. If the secondary market is open, I will use my saving and buy. Okay? Because there's no coin in the market. Those who join later, they probably have to buy at a much higher price. Believe me, it will happen like that. Okay? Because there's no coin in the market. Are you clear? This is not an ICO. No coin will be thrown. Nobody have any coins.
No coins in the market. So
no coins. The coin will only be released gradually from the investor. Of course, the market maker will have some coin, okay, to make up the price, okay? They will release, there's a formula to release a coin. Let's say you purchase 1,000. 1 month you only can release 10%. 10%. There's a formula going to roll out soon.
Okay.
You can't flood the market. Nobody have any extra coin that can flood.
Yeah. So let's say I buy 1,000 coins, so 10% will be given to me, and that will be say 10
not
coins.
Fixed yet. Yes,
okay. Let's say it's 10%. Okay. So in order for me to profit from this buying of this 1,000 coins, I'll get 10 coins. I need to sell it out, isn't it, to someone?
Of course. The market is liquid because we are exchange. So, we are listed into our exchange. FinSwap is an exchange.
Correct. So I do need to sell it out now. What is going to attract the person to buy my 10 coins? Even if it's 10 coins, let's say 10%. What is it going to attract the person to pay $2 or whatever to buy my 10 coins?
You look at the fundamental SCM. Look at our ecosystem. How much we are making? How much is our user? Our consolidated cash in the account. How much is our liquidity pool? Our liquidity pool will be very sizable. When the liquidity pool is sizable, you sell anything, okay, there's a buyer waiting for you. I give you an example. Look at SCM. What is our liquidity pool? 2 billion, right?
Yeah. So what is the liquidity pool for this coin? What is the liquidity pool?
We will announce and we will be raise the liquidity pool for it. Okay? Because our own platform coin, definitely there will be a so-called quite a sizable liquidity pool will be rolled out. No issue, okay? Definitely there's a strategy. There's a strategy and there's a plan already in place, KL. The plan is already in place. Let's wait and watch how the show going to be presented.
Okay, so next week we will know more, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are not new. We are not new in managing the coin. We are not new. Okay, and we have all the cable, all the network cable, and because we are the market maker. Company is a market maker.
Okay.
You will only see, or you might be regret buying it later.
Okay. All right.
Anyway, we watch and see. We watch and see there's some excitement behind. Okay.
Right,
thank you. Thank you.
Hello, leaders. Hello, Stephen. Yes, I have some serious question. I want to know when the meeting has started. Is it right now or they have already finished?
Can you please introduce yourself first? Raise your hand, wait for your turn, and introduce yourself for back.
Yes. Yeah, my name, I am from Rwanda. I am one of the
South
ACF members.
South Africa.
Yes. I had like ET, and I just want to ask if the meeting has already finished or it's just starting right now.
Coming to the end. Now question and answer. You listen to the recording later. Okay. You may listen to the recording later. Okay. Just now your question was when is it to be the launch? The launch will be somewhere happen from the 5th to the 10th next week. Anytime next week, after our centralized global meeting. This time we are doing it very seriously. Any step, any measure we do, it will be the consensus of all the world leaders. Okay? So this is the recognition by the company. Alright?
Sir, what happened to your current stacking? Stacking obviously will return back or not?
We will review and announce to you later when we launch the 3.0. Okay? After our centralized meeting.
Maybe any chance for again and again vouchers.
We'll be able to exchange.
We don't speculate yet. Okay. Tonight discussion is only on SCF 3.0. Okay. In terms of the migration of 1.0, 2.0 into 3.0 is separately different plan at all.
Yeah.
Okay. There will be a settlement arrangement for the 2.0. I know all of you are concerning about stacking all those stuff. Me too. I mean, do the same show with you. Okay, there will be a good so-called settlement arrangement of these 2.0 and 3.0. Okay. After our centralized meeting.
Sir, our stacking if you will return back. Any idea?
No. We can't disclose anything yet. After the meeting, only we can share with you. Not now. Okay.
Steven, I have a question. Hi, Steven. I just want to ask you, FUSD to USDT pair is restart or not? Swap of FUSD to USDT.
It will be soon. We wait for the announcement. Certainly, there will be a pairing arrangement for FUSD and USDT. Okay, all that will be recognized. We'll be announcing soon. Okay. We'll be announcing soon.
Okay. Thank you, Steven.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, it means when the launch starts, we can exchange our FUSD or SCF to USDT.
I have already mentioned. Okay, it will be arranged. Okay, the pairing we are exchanging. The pairing will be arranged after we launch the SCF 3.0 and after our centralized. Okay.
Another thing.
Wait for the launching.
You see, SCF. Yeah, we have like a big question. Like SCF, just want to control our coin when we invest there, and then they make unfair decisions. Then I want to ask if they will be like the secondary market. They used to say they will be on finance.
Can I?
Is it true?
Krypton, you have to excuse us. First, your line is very bad. I cannot hear you. And second, already answer you. Okay, the teething issue of 1.0 and 2.0 will be announced after our launch of SCF 3.0. Okay. Are you clear? We will definitely attend to it. Okay, thank you. Your line was very bad. Very, very bad. Okay?
Yeah, next, please.
Hello.
Excuse
me. Hi.
Sorry, your line is bad. We can't
Hi,
hear.
My name is Cynthia from UK.
Okay.
Okay, I just want to ask a question.
Okay.
My name is Cynthia. Can you hear me? Cynthia.
Yes. Go on.
Okay, from London. Okay, I just want to ask a question. I believe in SCF, and I know it's going to take us places, but just what I want to know is this. What is the selling point for 3.0? Because now you want 3.0 to be a multi-level marketing kind of thing, where we're going to bring people in. What is going to be the selling point? Because the first one was borrowing, the second one was staking. So what is going to be this one? What are we selling? What are we marketing? Is it a coin?
Yes. Just now, if you hear the introduction from the sharing of Zion and also my introduction, okay, the 3.0 have a very clear-cut objective. It's preparing a win-win-win business model and solution. Yes. The first win is a savior plan, okay, to solve the issue of the exit of 1.0 and 2.0. Many people haven't get back their capital. Don't you want your capital to be back faster? If the company don't roll out 3.0, you will get your capital back very, very, very slow. Only with the new fund coming, won't stop anywhere. Okay? They will solve the 1.0, 2.0 OMB issue because 10% of the income, okay, of the sales, not income, of the sales coming is going to buy back SCF and FTC. Okay, when buy back, the liquid pool is stronger and the price we're going to push up higher. Who benefit when the SCF price is higher? Who benefit? All member. Okay, you get me? Only through these tools, the old member can get the capital and can get the gain faster. When they are excited, they will motivated to buy more coins from 3.0, but of course at higher price. Okay, so the new member, when you want the new member to come in, what is the selling point? You were asking me. Simple. This plan is selling on the branding public chain. What is the branding? You tell the market who don't know SCF. Everybody knows this is a company can last more than 1 year, still here, still present, still launching 3.0. Which company does it? None in the market have this capacity. Correct or not? So we still selling it, and it will be very successful because we have received a collective effort from all the world leader in SCF. All the 001 is coming for a meeting next 2 days. Okay? Why? Because we, same like you, have a belief in this public chain. Which public chain have already, accumulated so many users? Okay, asset consolidated cash, how much? Okay, we have a utilization of 8 ecosystems. Now we focus on one, which is FinSwap. FinSwap is the best, to issue the additional coin because we want to raise fund. By raising this fund, is not for us. This fund we raise is for all the members. Can you get me? Company get only 10% only to raise a fund of 10 billion. Company is only getting 10%. What is the remaining 90%? 80% for the new member, because we have to attract the new member. Okay? And 10% is for the old member. Do you see the logic? By raising this particular coin or platform coin, company only receive 10% only, which is very generous. I thumbs up for the plan. It's very, very innovative. It will be a unicorn project in the world, I would say. Company sacrifice all the fundraise on 90%, go back to you all instantly. Fantastic or not? Correct or not? Okay?
So
I hope
it serves as a tool to explore to the market, and we get new blood, new people, and our community become bigger. So with revenues and return, then we'll make it to return to the pledge of the 1.2 or 1.0 or 2.0. Okay, as simple as that. Thank you.
Okay.
Just to share with you, all the world leader and representative will be coming for centralized meeting, and we all are very, very, very excited because it's going to clear our bubble. It's going to clear the 1.0 and 2.0, and this plan is going to make the leaders, the new one, going to make 5 times to 10 times more within a year. Okay, and also can fulfill the exit of those 1.0, 2.0 plan for them to get back the capital or to even gain more income. It's a fantastic program. Just like I mentioned it very clear, companies sacrificing 90% of the fundraise of this platform coin. Okay, to get all the things all the bubbles, and also allowing the new members to make 80% of the income out of it. It's a fantastic arrangement. Okay, so Zion, we'll look for another 5 questions.
Yes, next
yes, sir. I want to ask you. I have seen the total
introduce yourself.
The total stuff like
who is it speaking?
100 billion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you?
I am from Rwanda in Africa.
Okay.
Yes, I want to ask the total supply 100 billion. Then how this coin is going to conquer the world? What the total supply is too much. What is the strategy so that this coin can grow like SCF?
Your question is not clear because your background is very noisy. Can you put into writing or whatever?
Yes, I was saying the total supply is 100 billion. How this coin is going to grow?
What's
like SCF?
What is 100 billion?
The total supply.
Total? We don't get your question.
The total supply is 1 billion.
Sir, I think your line is not good. We can't get your questions clearly. Can you put it in the chat? Yeah, in words and letters. Yeah.
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 Hello, good evening.
Hello. Okay.
Can you hear me?
Well, we can't get you, really. We can't get you seriously. Okay.
Sir, I have 2 or more questions. So my first question is, I have heard in groups that SCF coin is going to list it on Binance. So it is right or not?
There's no, there's pending. We haven't have any plan to be listed in Binance yet. But eventually it will happen, but no plan yet. Because we have to have a current domestic issue to be settled first. Okay? Future will be. Not now. Okay? Not now. Rumors is outside rumors only. It's only rumors outside.
How much time you require to list it in Binance?
Again, what you say?
How much time you require for listed in Binance?
No, there's no timeline yet. We haven't have any intention yet. Or there's no timeline to give. Okay? There's no timeline to give. When the time comes, it will come. Okay? Obviously, the Binance, when our community grow, Binance definitely will force us to list it there. Okay? The day will come, but that is not our focus for the time being. Okay? That's not our focus. Our focus now is 3.0. Okay? Settling old member and getting the new member income.
Okay, good afternoon. My name is James. Good afternoon. My name is James. I'm from Nigeria. I have one question to ask. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. I have one question to ask. The question is, are you people going to abolish the old leaders? Are they going to start afresh to market like our rank? Are you people going to retain our ranks? Like for an instance, I'm a GM. I'm no longer seeing GM in my wallet. Like, are we going to start afresh to accumulate our rank?
Very good question. This is also my question. Okay, we will be announced to you after our centralized meeting. Okay, likely will be maintained. Okay, that's all. But we don't want to speculate anything further. And this is our wish. Okay, our wish, because you and I also same. I'm also one of the leader there. Okay, it will be likely maintained. Okay.
Okay, our rank will be maintained.
Yeah, but new sales, only the new sales only capture from the sales of 3.0. All right, clear?
Sir, when your centralized meeting will held?
Pardon?
Yes, I want to ask you that when your centralized meeting will be held?
Next week. You'll be announcing after that. Next week.
Okay. The update will come before or after centralized meeting?
Likely will be after. Because the company recognize the leaders' contribution. They want to hear the country 001 in the world. Because this plan is going to be championed by us, championed by the country leader. Do you get me? So obviously it will be after that. Okay, huh?
That's true. After centralized meeting, they will be updated.
They actually give us an idea that they really recognize the leaders. They recognize the consensus from the community. Okay, there's something very, very smart. Huh? Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Hello, good evening, Mr. Steven.
Yeah.
My name is Jaya. Yeah, I'm from Kuala Lumpur. Okay, I just want to know, do you have any consensus about the buying power of the present members? You know, because...
At the present time, just to be honest with you, we already have our market survey. The local, the old member for the buying power of the old member, we would like to say about 20 to 30%. We focus on new members. And by launching the 3.0, we will expect within the next 6 months to 1 year, we're going to capture another 40 countries in the world. So far, 30 countries actively already so-called our investor members. We are going to explore another 40 countries, 40 in the next 1 year. And the new member or the leader who are with us, they will be able to make the income 5 to 10 times in the next 1 year. because the excitement is this plan is 1,000 come in, 1,000 go out. The leader is going to make 80% out of it. Okay,
thank you.
The passive also can become active. Just now I already mentioned. Let's say a passive member, I want to invest, I want to buy 2,000. Why not you split it into 4 accounts? 500 each, then you make back your own direct commission at 30%. But once you become active, your lock coin of platform coin will be released faster because you are active. Okay? From passive also you can turn to active. Okay. Do you get me? Those strategy you can team up with your leader and so-called plan it yourself, strategize it yourself. How you make the passive into active? Okay.
Because why I asked this question, I'm sorry to say, because 2 times 1.0, 2.0, I was GM.
I see.
All our income was exhausted at this moment.
I know.
So unless the company exchange SCF to USDT, then we can revive our buying power.
Yeah. It will happen soon. Okay. Let's wait for the changer to happen. It will happen soon. Okay. We are at the same shoe. Jaya. We are at the same shoe. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, anybody?
Hello.
Next, please.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi.
Who is
Hi.
speaking?
Hello. Can you hear me?
I want to ask a question. I see the price of SCF is growing day by day, hour by hour. Then I'm asking myself, what the spin swap is locked. What are the person behind trading, behind selling and buying? Or
it's a secondary market.
Just give me clear answer.
There's a secondary market. You still can buy SCF. It's not locked. It's not locked. You can buy SCF from the exchange. Who say locked? It's not locked. You can use your FUSD. FUSD, our own SCF exchange. You go to the home page. You click under the SCF. There's an exchange there. You can buy and sell your SCF there.
But you can't exchange for FUSDT. You can't exchange
but
FUSDT.
people have the belief. People have the belief that this 3.0 is going to debut handsomely. They see the potential of the 10% of new sales come in. Then you see the price of SCF is going to go up. It's going to chop up. Okay? People always buy before happen.
I think liquidity is working also. Working.
We cannot hear you. Sorry. I think we keep the question to the next one. Cannot hear you.
Yeah. CP.
Steven,
I have a question.
Next. Sir CP. Mr. CP.
Steven, I have a
raise
question.
your hand. Yeah, we unmute your mic. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, CPH,
Steven,
right?
I have a question.
CPH2173. Introduce yourself, please. Who is speaking?
Can you all raise hand and follow the some of the rules?
Can I ask
easier
something?
for everybody? Yeah, can you raise hand? Okay.
Yeah. I have a question. Is SCF 3.0 is long lasting or for 2-3 months only?
If you can see the plan with no overpay, no bubble, okay, just ask yourself, everything clear, the commission clear, the incentive, everything clear, will you think it lasts? It is a very lasting program, okay, because there is no interest, no bubble. All right? I can tell you in the next 2 months, many other platforms will follow our system. Our logic is there. Many other companies will follow because it's very clear cut. All right, you will love it. You will love it.
Yes, next please. Anyone?
Hello.
Yes.
सर आप अपना क्वेश्चन रखिए.
From where?
Sir, myself R.K. Chaudhary from India, and I have some questions, sir. My team is very panicful. In more questions, please clear, sir. Vikas sir, rakhiye.
So when will we convert our FUSD and SCF into USDT.
Hello, please unmute your mic. Just for those who is not making a question. Hello. Yeah. Can you repeat, please? Yes.
Just want to ask, we can convert SCF and FUSD into USDT.
Cannot hear you.
रमेश जी आपको पूछना पड़ेगा, आवाज नहीं जा रही है वहाँ तक.
ठीक है सर. Sir, I have a question. Sir, my question is when did we convert FUSD and SCF in USDT?
Wait. After the 3.0 rollout, okay, you'll be naturally arranging and open up the pairing for you all. Okay, wait until and after the SCF is going to roll out. Okay, somewhere next week. All right, thank you.
Yeah, next please.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir,
unreleasing mining when receive in my wallet?
Mining will be resumed. Everything normal. Mining will be resumed normal. Okay.
Sir, old previous mining when receive in a wallet, unreleasing mining.
Yeah, the mining is all the individual account mining will be receiving 3.0. There will be no more mining for the new member. No mining for the new member. Those who have the mining is basically a lifetime income for them. Fantastic. Now no more chance. No more chance to join the mining. No more. Okay.
Stephen, I have a question. Is our node voucher balance refundable or not after 180 days?
No. There's what do you mean by node voucher? There's no more voucher.
Means cash voucher. Sorry, cash voucher.
There's no more cash voucher. What got cash voucher? All the cash voucher will become mining notes. There's no more cash voucher.
Okay.
It will be received. It will be continue receiving.
Previously,
you will be continue receive your mining as per the arrangement, as per the earlier arrangement. Okay.
Previously, company said our node voucher, cash voucher balance is refundable to us.
Oh, they want to be announced later. I know the earlier fee note. Okay.
Yes, the 10%. The 10% used to buy back the SCF will be banned, or they will buy back and then they come on the market once again.
No, it will be banned.
10%.
Buy and burn.
Good, very good.
Okay. Yeah, of course. Thank you. It's a fantastic plan.
So please, I want to ask, how many percent is the new staking going to be? Is this thing going to be 1.4%?
No more staking.
No more staking.
You are not listening to the program. There's no more. 3.0 is 3.0 entirely new. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Next
slide. No more staking.
So what are we going to have? Are we going to have farming?
The 2.0 we are going to announce later. Your question is, are we going to maintain the stacking for 2.0? The answer to be reviewed later. Okay? I don't know yet. Okay? To be reviewed later. All right?
Yes, CPH 1473. Please unmute your mic.
Zion, we receive another 2 questions. We receive another 2 questions. We are getting late. 2 more questions from the floor.
1473 CPH. Are you?
Yes, I want to ask. Hello.
Okay. Yeah, where are you from and what's your name?
Okay, I'm from Indonesia. My name is Hafiz. So I have 3 questions. My question is one: what should we do before version 3.0 is launched? And 2, what will happen to the FUSD coin you stake after the asset liquidation event yesterday? And 3, can we perform a swap between SCF and the new coin to be released in version 3.0? Okay, that's my question.
Your question actually is a KIV answer. Okay, after we launch the 3.0 next week. Okay, there's no answer yet for that. These are the few concerns will be discussed among the world leader, will be discussed with the board, with the top management, and to be announced to you all later after that. Okay, not for today's discussion. Today is basically the briefing on the pre-launch of SCF 3.0. Okay, that particular part is our concern, is my concern also. Okay, will be announced once we have the collective decision from the world leader and from the management. Okay, your question will be direct to the management later, next few days. Okay, thank you.
Okay, the next few days. Okay.
Yes.
In the next week. Okay.
After
5 or before 5.
Next week. 5 to 10. 5 to 10.
Okay. Thank you, Steve.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, next please. Raise your hand. Next, anyone? Anyone, please?
Yes, please. I want to ask, where can we find the recording for this meeting?
Tomorrow.
Huh?
Tomorrow, Zion will send to you. Tomorrow, Zion will send to you. We'll send to the group.
Yeah, because here there is some people who are not familiar with Zion. Can he give us like a link for his group we can join so that we can see the meeting, the recording of the meeting?
Can.
Like
okay. You message in the group, Zion will attend to you.
Okay. Group meeting. So any more questions?
I think we are going to attend 2 more.
Yeah. Anyone?
Sir, after 180 days, our investment capital in mining node will be returned back or not?
I don't get your question. Can you talk slowly?
After 180 days. After 180 days, our investment capital in mining nodes will be returned back or not?
Your mining nodes every day you are getting. You are getting your mining nodes every day. Yeah. Continue.
No chance to return back our capital investments.
No. You'll be returned to you on mining you. You can sell into the market when the pairing is available. Okay? Or you can do the registration for the new member.
Sir, after new updation, after the updation, we can convert our SOCF to other currencies?
If you announce. Okay, next week. Okay. The pairing will be announced and resume. Okay, will be announced when the date the resume next week. Okay, it will be announced.
Okay. Sir, I already pledged. Is there any chance to give back all our capital? Any chance to return back our capital?
Oh, I think it's very, very good chance. Okay. I actually think we think beyond that. We think beyond our capital.
Yeah, so this is
even you can profit from that.
The main purpose
those who are loyal to SCF.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this is the main purpose of the 3.0. Okay, good question.
I think miners are in benefit.
My new stacking is more than 10,000 FUSD. Company will return back that FUSD or not?
Your return or any other regain is come from mining. Okay, the mining yield that come up every day, you sell at a higher and higher price, so you'll be able to recover your capital or even turn into positive later.
Not mining, sir. I already pledged with more than 10,000 FUSD.
You wait for the yield. Every day drop to you. The yield is in a linear manner. Every day going up. Releasing to you. Okay, double. Okay, you are receiving a lot of income later on. It's linear. Follow the formula.
Sir, I am asking about pledge. I already pledged it.
Yeah. Wait. You wait for the announcement further. You wait for the announcement next week. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, when the pairing will be open, we swing back. Okay.
Okay, super.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So we give to another question, please. I think Tejendra Sahu, you raise hand. Okay, so you may speak now.
Yeah.
Tejendra Sahu, are you there?
Unmute your mic, please.
Yes,
Yeah,
Steven. Hello.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Steven,
What do you want?
I say something. Mining is good
yeah,
for
please.
everyone because nobody receive mining in future because as you say, no cash voucher in future. So it means miner can receive a handsome income lifetime.
Yeah. It's lifetime.
I'm
we
very
receive this
happy.
plan
I'm
because
very
there's
happy.
no. Me too.
I'm very happy. I'm a part of mining. I'm very happy.
Yeah. Me too. Okay. Okay.
Thank you,
last one. Thank you. Nice talking to you. Thank you. And come to Malaysia. Okay. If you all have the opportunity, likely on the 18-19, we are going to have our SCF launch in Malaysia. You wait for the announcement. Okay. We wait for the actual thing.
We will meet. We will meet 1-2 months, Steven.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So I think we shall end this meeting. Hello? Yes.
Okay, one more question from maybe Morrison.
Yes.
Morrison, what do you want? Okay.
Yes, I'm Kevin Morrison from Canada.
Okay.
Very happy for the mining. I just want to know, after the 180 days, they release. Now I have about 37 SCF to be released. So they're gonna release in one time.
Follow. There is a formula. There's a calculation chart. Refer to your leader. The chart will tell you are going to receive linear, getting more and more every day.
Yeah, I know. Every day I receive. I know. I put the amount there. I put everything.
Yeah.
I know it's growing. I'm very happy.
Yeah. Correct.
Just
now
one
you wait
simple question. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. No problem. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
We'll be continue receiving. Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
So thank you for everyone, and we can see that thanks to our leader, Mr. Steven, a great sharing, Okay.
Thank you, everybody.
Okay. So and then the main purpose of this web 3.0, our 3.0. Yeah, actually is the savior to 1.0 and 2.0. Yeah. So we are very confident that we can make it. All right. Okay. So thank you for your attending, and thank you. Until next meeting, we'll meet again. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye. Good night.
Okay. Yeah. Drop us a note if you have any question. Okay. Thank you.
Check.